How to link your Xbox account with Twitter on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your Xbox account with Twitter fast and easy. First thing, go to Xbox and now click here and click this one and now click here link social media social accounts, and then all you do is just click here and then just type your Twitter username and password, and it will be done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.